Got another dynamic brake resistor grid go bad. I think you can see it's at right. I think you can see right in there. It's that center one. So I got the boom truck here, waiting on a couple mechanics, and we're going to take that cover off and put the new grid in. Fortunately, they have another new grid, which is surprising, but they do. Okay. So this is our #1 locomotive. It's an SD38-2. It was built in December of 1975. And they're coming with the new grid. Well, I got the cover off. That thing's burning up, man. Wow.
It's just like a battery, and I saw how you wasn't that battery yesterday. No, Jim, I'm sorry, no, it's perfect.
Wow.
No, the perfect one is down there.
We'll get it down here on the ground and give you a closer look. My goodness gracious. Now look at that mess. Wow. That son of a gun got burned up, isn't it? I'll get it down here on the ground and get you a closer picture. Man, oh man. That thing got cooked. Unbelievable. I put this one up in there, and it's got some damage to it. Some of the fins are messed up on it. So I got another one. They're going to the shop. They're going to go get in. But my goodness gracious, that thing got burned up. We had one go bad a while ago. The operator saw cold flames shooting out the side. Yeah. That stuff doesn't help in there. Hard to keep that coal away from it. All right. There's some of the stuff they took out. Molded metal. A lot of pieces. All right. I'm gonna go shut this power takeoff off. Shut the power takeoff off, you gotta push the clutch in. This is a hydraulic heater. Heats my hydraulic oil up. Nice. Okay. We'll be back with more. There's the hole over there. Got my boom in the way. A couple of our guys, I don't want to show them, but that's where it came out, that hole there. And that's what they look like when you're in there. You gotta pick the wires up, shove the grid underneath those wires to get it in there. No. Okay. bringing another grid over. I don't know why they didn't want to use the one in the front box. I don't know. We got another one here coming. All right, I got to get to work here, get this thing picked up in there. Okay, we'll be back. Go! Okay, we got it set in there. All right. Come on. You got it. Pick it up. There you go. Okay, it's history. It gets junked. They're going to send that one that's on top there back. Get a replacement for it. Since it's messed up. The fin's messed up. All right. There we go. And 3098's got problems. The auxiliary generator burned up in it. Unbelievable. Got a lot of problems here. A lot to deal with. Okay. Did the center grid there. That's the one. It was after dark when he was coming down grade. He was on his dynamics and normal operating procedure, and he said he looked back. They got a mirror on this conductor's side. Looked back in there, and he said it looked like 10 people were welding all the light show coming out the back, the sides there of that grid. Anyway, they got it all cleaned up in there. New grid in, wired in. We'll get this cover buttoned up, and we're pretty close to that. Get the bolts back in and go from there. All right. Well, okay. Now we got a much bigger problem. The hardest part, we took about an hour and a half to get the grid in. The hardest part was getting that cover back on. Get the holes lined up because the cover's old and it's a little bit bent up. That took a little bit of time to do that, but they got it. It's all bolted down. And now we got a bigger problem because the engine won't crank over. Huh. Oh dear. That is a big problem. Because we have no way to jump it because 3098 locomotive is down, can't run, and number 22 locomotive is on the far end of these cars, 38 cars out there. So and we got a full trip here, full train, so mechanics are on it. We'll see what happens. If it's not one thing, it's another. This isn't good. Well, they got it going. How about that? They had to turn the flywheel over. They got a special tool to do that with. Turn it over by hand. I guess there was maybe a bad tooth on the flywheel or something. The starter wasn't engaging. Anyway. Okay, we're right back in business. Have problems and you deal with them. That's railroading. Okay, Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a really good day.